Let's continue with the lesson, Renaissance Ideas in Politics, Machiavelli. Before you read the sections from Machiavelli's famous text about political power, The Prince, written in 1513, read the list of facts below, excerpted from the secondary text, Renaissance Philosophy by Jerry Broughton, about the historical context in which Machiavelli lived and wrote, and helps explain his motivations for writing. Why do you think it is important to know about the context and motivations for a text about politics? Choose and highlight one of the facts from the list that you will keep in mind while you read sections of The Prince. You may want to pause this video now to choose and highlight one of those facts. Your independent work. Now, for the independent work section of this lesson, you will read The Prince. Before you start reading, refer back to the definitions of the Renaissance ideas of humanism and realism. Then read the text. As you read, annotate the text for references to the ideas/definitions of the ideas using this annotation key. Blue for humanism, orange for realism. After you read the text, respond to the questions in the Check for Understanding section that follows. You may want to pause this video once more for time to read and annotate The Prince. Now that you have read and annotated The Prince, it's time for your check for understanding. Read the excerpted analysis of The Prince by Jerry Broughton below to help better explain what you just read. Then choose one of the bullet points, paraphrase it using your own words, and select a quote from The Prince, the primary source, that supports the analysis. As you can see, the boxes in blue on the right are the spaces that you should fill in using your own words and doing your own writing. Finally, to wrap up, imagine that you are a political advisor to an incoming president of the United States. Your task is to create a warning label that you think should be put on the cover of The Prince so that if the president reads the book, they will understand the potential risks and rewards of its ideas. Use the blue space provided to create the warning label, or use a different platform or program to create a visual warning label in the form of a meme, GIF, or other style. Example: warning. This book contains dangerously useful advice for someone seeking to hold power. Read with discretion.